Hi, in this demonstration, we're showcasing how DevRevive streamlines onboarding and delivers instant project knowledge to every new team member. Let's see how it works. The moment a developer joins a new project, they gain immediate access to a centralized knowledge hub within DevRevive. It contains everything: project documentation, architectural diagrams, past discussions, and workspace topic. This automatically in sync with your active workflows. As changes occur, all documents and references update in real time, ensuring the entire team always works with current and accurate information. Powered by intelligent AI capabilities, DevRevive helps new members understand project context and review key decisions made in earlier development cycles. With a quick search or simple navigation, any developer can access the exact knowledge they need. DevRevive sharpens team alignment, accelerates onboarding by nearly 50%, and ensures every developer becomes productive from day one. DevRevive, smart onboarding, instant project knowledge.